Today we're testing out the new Triundo World Cup ball, and we'll see if it's like the Jabulani as people say. When I first got this, it felt like any other Adidas ball, and I don't mean that in a bad way. I think Adidas makes some of the best footballs at the moment. As soon as I took my first shot though, that changed. It definitely feels much lighter than any other Adidas ball. Now when this first came out and everybody was comparing it to the Jabulani, I thought this was just some marketing PR, but as I move on to some shooting here, there definitely is something to it. Here's my friend Hayden Kicks doing his best Diego Forlán impression. Look at that shot, by the way. That's absolutely unreal. This next shot is very Jabulani-like. As you can see, this is what the Jabulani does. I got jealous after seeing this, so I went back to the field to get some more shots, and it's confirmed. It definitely does move a lot in the air. Look, it's no Jabulani. Jabulani is a one-of-a-kind thing, but the fact is this ball does move in the air, and I'm really curious to see what it's like in a World Cup. I'm not exactly sure what technology causes the ball to move in the air like that. I'm also not sure if they intended to make it like this. Whatever's going on with this ball though, Hayden Kicks got this thing figured out. I'll let you enjoy these shots.